How to download and install Pokemon Infinite Fusion on PC. So if you want to download and install Pokemon Infinite Fusion on PC, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to just go with your search and you need to search for Pokemon Infinite Fusion. After searching, now you need to go with the first website. After going to the website, now you need to go with the Windows if you want to go with Windows or Android, Mac, Steam Deck, Linux, Pokemon Fusion, any other option. So I'll just simply go with Windows. And from Windows, you need to scroll down and you need to just go with download. So if you want to download Pokemon Infinite Fusion on your Windows, you need to go with download here. And if it is for Android, you can go with the Android or Steam Deck, Mac, or Linux. So I'll just simply go with the Windows. Click on download and here you will have the download option again. So you just need to simply go with download again. So once you click on the download option, you just need to simply scroll down a bit. And after scrolling down here, you will have the Pokemon Infinite Fusion. So you just need to simply go with download, which is right here. If you want to go with direct or MediaFire, any option that you're comfortable with. So just go with the download. Now here on the top right, as you can see that it has started the downloading. So you just need to simply wait for it to download, and after downloading the file, then you need to just double click on the file, and after double clicking on the file, it will start the installing process. So that's it. That's how you can download it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.